Welcome back to Tornado Hot Rods. Today we're out here at Leadfoot City making some more passes with the Dirty Bird again. We just made one. I'll show you the clip here and I'll show you some times. I think previously we cut a 181 60 foot. Sorry about the light behind me. But let's see if we improved. I think we raised the pressure a little bit to try and get the 556s, the gear ratio in the back to hook, so we'll go from there. For some reason the slip is only 330, but we got a 179 60 foot, which is the best that we've been able to dead hook on this car, and that's probably due to the bias ply tires instead of radials. We used to have Nittos on there, but decent.